Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage, and so a friend of mine gave me a bucket of these. Scrubs in a bucket, hand clean the towels, and I've tried different ones of these over the years, and I always kind of thought they were a gimmick because they didn't really work, So you end up using one and then using your regular old hand cleaner, Fast Orange or Gojo or whatever you use, and anyway, he gave me these, and God, these things work really well. I mean, they're not perfect, but they really do get the funk off your hands. I would use one with greasy hands and feel safe eating my lunch. So, does any of you guys use these kind of hand cleaning things? I always knew these as like the ones that were in set next to the toilet to wipe the seat down if somebody sprinkled when they tinkled or something. But I've been kind of looking at other easy hand cleaning options because I don't have running water in my shop. And going over to the garden hose, yeah, that's okay in the summer, but when it's 38 degrees out, I really don't want to wash my hands with the garden hose, and I don't want to trash the sink in my house, so kind of my go-to regular hand cleaner is the Gojo, or not Gojo, but the Fast Orange. I don't like any hand cleaner that leaves that lanolin, slimy feeling shit on my hands like lotion. But these things are pretty good just to keep in the shop, just to knock the big funk off before you go in the house. So, yeah, if anybody uses these kind of things, or even another brand, leave a comment down below. I'm curious to see what people are using. I like these ones because it kind of smells like bubble gum. So they're tolerable. I don't mind like the lemon or the orange, but I can't really do heavy chemical smell because of having allergies and stuff like that. So, and I sure as hell don't want nothing smelling like flowers in my shop. Anyway, just curious what you guys think about these type of deals. Alright, see you in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All that good stuff. Free. Doesn't cost you a penny. And I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Stay greasy, my friends.